Octagonal Video Guide. Ensure the base is completely level. If the base is not level, then this particular building should not be installed, as the roof alignment will be affected. Place the floor on a level base. If the building is 10 foot, then you must screw the two section floors together through the overlapping board. Construct 8 sides of the building, making sure angled face of leg section are flush on the inside to form an octagonal onto completed section floor. The sides have 3/4 of an inch approximately overhang on the base. Use the 50mm screws to secure. Check that the building is parallel to the floor shape and that the diagonals are equal before screwing to the floor. Fit the door handle and then glaze the whole unit. If diamond leaded glass is being used, please view from the outside to make sure that the diamonds are running the correct way. Once all the glazing has been completed, add a fine bead of silicone around the outer edge of all the glass. Apply roof sections, making sure the angled base rail is within the inside of the side section top rail. Apply 3 40mm screws to each roof rail, angling the screws central to the section, taking care not to penetrate the adjoining rail. After 4 sections, the roof will start to self-support. Before the final section is put into position, the frame top capping needs to be put in place, and apply silicone film to the base of the finial before attaching to the top capping in the pre-drilled hole. Apply silicone film around the inside of the angled framework and put in position on top of the roof. Check that the capping sits on the tiles in the correct position. View from outside the building before fixing with the 40mm screws. Fix the inner capping with the beveled edge upwards with 16 60mm screws. Before screwing the bird's mouth latts to the roof ridges outside, seal the join by using a generous amount of silicone down the joining of each roof section. Before fitting the bird's mouth cover latts on the vertical joins, seal with silicone in the same way as the roof has been sealed. Then fit the bird's mouth cover strips, sealing the joints. Screw ply to the base of the roof before fitting the fascia boards onto the roof base section, making sure all ends do not overlap. Screw the fascia board using the 50mm screws. Then fit the angled small corner strips to finish off the fascia boards, making a clean and tidy finish. Once the silicone has been applied to all the joins in the roof, then apply the bird's mouth latts to the roof of the building with the 40mm screws on the outer beveled faces. The building is treated with a quality water-based wood preservative. Upon installation, it is recommended that it be retreated within 3 months and annually thereafter to prolong the building's life. TGB have its own brand of treatment in either red cedar or brown, and this is available from your local stockist.